biglang siren. Sino na po ang may experience ng ATV? Sulit po sir ma'am. Susi muna, siyempre. Okay? Para may start natin, press yung brake, dalawa, huwag bibitawan. Press natin yung brake sa taas. And ito yung accelerator niya o gas hindi. Hindi dito. Baka yung nasubukan ni Sir Edgar. Kung kailan yung pinapress ito ng pabilis siya ng pabilis.
Ay, spaghetti!
Apply brake, slowly. Pag nag-brake po kayo, slowly lang, huwag yung bibigla naman ganyan. Kasi, yes po. Pag binigla nyo kasi, okay?
Sir, pag isa lang yung binrig. Pag isa lang. Pag isa lang yung...
Hindi kami nagkukan ng isa lang.
Okay.
Then, ang pangalan pala ng ATV trailing area na pupuntahan nyo is Amudam. In short, kapag nag-search kayo ng Philippine history natin, ang lalabas dyan, all bunkers ng mga US Air Force before World War II. Makikita nyo yung mga ganitong bunkers nung marami doon.
Alright guys, we're doing the ATV. Let's go. Let's go. ATV ride guys. This is a trail guys. All greens. And it's not raining. So, well, maybe not droplets, but it's not raining. Nice. So this is a 25-minute trail. So far, not as muddy as yung trail nung nasa Thailand tayo before. But let's see. So medyo road pa siya eh. So, here, pasok na kami sa medyo green part. Let's see. So, trail na to. Oh, nice. Green, no? Yeah, muddy part guys. The mud part. Dahan-dahan na tayo. Mud part. Pinili ng sapatos. Here to have fun. Tayo dun. Again. Let's go. Oh, layo. Slowly but surely. Parang hindi gano'n. Oh my gosh. My shoes are so dirty. Okay lang. Alright, let's catch up. Oh, it's so fun guys, grabe. Brakes, pababa. Got water. Let's go! Alright guys, let's go. Group natin. Good. Oh, nice. Nice weather. But this is so worth it. It's so fun. Sa likod tayo. We're gonna like speed up a little. Woo! Slow down. Let's go! Woo! Grabe, thank you, Connect. Let's go. Tapos na. Tapos na. That was so fun. So it's a 25-minute activity. Galing, grabe. So fun, so fun. We're back at the home base na. Parking. Oh, shit. Shoes are so dirty. So worth it. Okay lang. So worth it.